Hi, welcome to week 2 of ECE 226 Assessment of Young Children. This is Dr. Chisenhall, and I am looking forward to working with you again this week. It was a pleasure getting to know you through your week 1 discussion boards. I enjoyed seeing some familiar faces and meeting some new friends as well. I will be grading your Week 1 assignments over the next few days and posting your grades. This week we're looking at Module 2, which is all about how infants, toddlers, and young children should be assessed. This chapter will go over some concerns and issues related to assessing young children, as well as discuss the assessment process, components of the assessment system, and what to do with the assessment results. The first thing you'll want to do is to read Chapter 2, which is titled How Infants and Young Children Should Be Assessed. I've created a web page that can act as a guide for you as you go over some of the key areas and key components of this chapter. What I've listed here is what really sticks out to me as the important elements of this chapter that we should make sure that we are familiar with and comfortable in understanding. I've also included a link here that will take you to Head Start's webpage outlining additional information about the child screening and assessment processes that they use. So I think this is a nice resource for us to look over as well. For this week, you have 2 assignments, your Week 2 discussion board and your Chapter 2 quiz. Please select at least 2 of these questions to respond to. You may respond in a written format or a video of yourself speaking. Please make sure to post your response by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday and reply to 2 classmates by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Chapter 2 quiz consists of 5 short answer questions that you can certainly use your book and notes to answer. And lastly, I would like you to invite you to join me on a Zoom on Tuesday, September 8th at 10 a.m. I've included the link to the Zoom in our announcements. It will be wonderful to get to see you live and talk to you and get to know you, as well as answer any questions that you may have. If you can't attend live, I will be recording the Zoom meeting and I will post it for you to be able to see when you are able. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I hope you have a wonderful week too.